Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change LinkedIn cover photo on mobile. Firstly, tap on your profile photo on your left upper side, then go for view profile with the blue section, and right after that, as you can see on my upper side getting to the cover photo, I have that pencil set up. This is for editing, go for it. And now here you have the chance to edit this background photo or cover photo. You have the chance to add new photo, or you're gonna have the chance to go that and delete it. For example, if you go add photo, you can take a photo from your camera side right now, or you can upload from your photos. For example, if you go from upload, then you'll need to choose a photo which needs to be included in your cover section. Now firstly we will go with this photo, I'm sorry. Yeah, just go straight and quickly. You can get up through this process. Also you can zoom in, zoom out. You have all these chance to get up to in. Then you can select which part of it needs to be. You can get up to filters. You can adjust it with your brightness, contrast, saturation, and then when you're ready, just go save on your right upper side and wait to get up through it. And now as you can see, we have changed our cover photo or our background photo on mobile. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.